Hi guys, my name is Tali. I'm excited because today I'm going to present Gita's new kit. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create sparkling and trendy Swarovski jewelry. Using this kit, we are going to create together this wraparound bracelet with metals and charms and Swarovski crystals, the statement oval ring and dainty shell earrings with Swarovski crystal. This kit is available in 4 different plating finishes: yellow gold, antique silver, nickel and rose gold. All of them are free nickel plating finishes. For this kit and many more, you can find them at the link below. Let's get started!